Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. These lines from Helen Keller define the power of community. But what if we merge the superpower of our excellent medical staff and the community? This is exactly what we are aiming to do. Presenting you Doc Easy. It's an open source platform for doctors to simplify curing, where they can connect and cure. Share your knowledge, experience, because sharing is caring. Help out to others, fellow doctors. Now you do not need to get confused about taking second opinions to connect with the best doctors worldwide. Emergency, reach out to doctors on a priority with emergency section. Get your MOMs and transcripts of online meetings and conferences. Let's see how DocEasy helps patients.
Hello, I'm Alice. I have been diagnosed with thyroid. I reached out to several doctors, but all are giving different advice. I'm confused about whom to follow. But then I heard about Doc Easy from one of my friends. I saw one doctor's story for a similar patient and reached out to him. By booking an online appointment via Doc Easy platform, I got my query cleared and was able to get proper treatment.
So now let's understand the working of DocEasy. First, doctors will register themselves with their license ID and telling about their specialization and all those stuff, and then they will log in. Like once they've registered, they can log in through their email ID and password, and now once they have logged in, they can see their dashboard where they can see the create post, and like they can ask any query related to anything. Like they can give the heading, then they can add the description, and they can add the tag so that the relevant persons can see the query. And now like once he have posted the query, then he would be able to see who have answered and all those stuff. Now like he can also view stories of different doctors and different health staffs, what they have written or what they have replied to. And there is a section where he can share his profile too, like where with his specialization and license number. Now like he can see his statistics about what activity he has done and how many views, how many likes, how many comments he has on his particular story or query. Then he can see the emergency cases, like which need emergency attention. Also he can see in the explore tab the upcoming events and their MOM or any detail related to their event in view story. And then he can see his profile and he can edit or share his profile according to his or her needs. Then we will see the patient tab. So the patient can ask his or her query by just typing his or her name, and he will see the featured doctor list based upon the number of likes the doctor has get. So now the patient can also see different queries related to his or her topics too.
One last thing, this is not the end. We look forward to integrating many more things to make it a one stop for the medical community, keeping it completely open source, supported by amazing blazing fast technologies such as React.js, TypeScript, Node.js, Express, and MongoDB.